Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door catch in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door catch. The door catch is a part of the door latch mechanism that keeps the door closed. The main reason why the door catch should be replaced is if it's broken and you are really tired of begging your mother-in-law to let you use her broomstick to keep the dryer door closed. Open the dryer door. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that hold the hinges. Slowly let the hinges go. Be careful not to pinch your fingers. Partially close the door and then remove it from the hinges. Place it on the workable surface and using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the 4 screws on the sides of the door. Separate the outer and the inner doors. Remove the cardboard insert. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push in the 2 plastic and 2 metal tabs and remove the old door catch. This is the old door catch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Push in the new door catch. Make sure it's going in from the right side. Now we can reassemble the door. Put the cardboard insert in. Put the inner and the outer halves together and using the Phillips screwdriver, secure them with the 4 screws. Place the door under the hinges. Pull the hinge down and then secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Close the door to check if it's staying closed. Discard the broomstick. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.